Welcome to House of Party. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own tropical balloon kit. In your balloon kit, you're going to receive 4 bags of 12-inch balloons, 2 bags of 5-inch, 1 bag of 10-inch, 2 bags of 18-inch, 1 bag of 7 foil balloons, greenery on the side with 2 hooks, 1 16-foot strip, string, and glue dots. Now that you know what's in your balloon kit, the next thing you're going to want is a hand pump or an electric pump. Step 1, we're going to be blowing up all of our balloons. If you're using a hand pump, let me show you how to do it. All you have to do is insert your latex all the way in and pump. This is a 12-inch balloon, so you want to air it up as much as you can. If you're using an electric pump, you're going to want to insert the balloon all the way in and press your machine down. This should be the size of your 12-inch balloon. In order to get the round effect, you might want to press at the top of the balloon and let some air out. Just like that. Now let's blow up our 18-inch balloons. When blowing up your 18-inch balloons, you're going to want to make sure it's not an egg shape. If it's an egg shape, you just want to press at the top of the balloon and release some air. Just like that. Now for your 5-inch. The hand pump's the best way to go. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pull the latex balloon all the way in and pump. And then you just tie it. In your kit, you're going to receive 7 foil balloons. In your bag, you will have a straw in there in case you don't have a hand pump. And this, you can insert it into the valve and you can blow this up yourself. Or if you have a hand pump, you can also insert it into the valve and pump. And this is how your foil balloon should look like. You want to continue this process with the rest of your other foil balloons. Now that you're done blowing up all of your latex balloons and your foil balloons, you want to blow up the confetti balloons. These are a little bit special because you have to swing them around to pull down all of the confetti to the tip of the balloon. Before airing up your latex balloon, you're going to want to take off the little rubber band that's attached to the latex that's keeping all of the confetti inside. After you're done airing up your confetti balloon, this is what it should look like. Now you can see that the confetti is at the very bottom of the balloon. Pro tip, you might want to get a microfiber cloth and rub it against the balloon. This creates static inside the balloon to move all of the confetti all over the balloon. Just like that. Now that you're done blowing up all of your balloons, you're going to want to pull out your garland strip. So with this strip, what we're going to do is that we're going to skip 2 to 3 holes because that's what you're going to use to hang your garland. And when you attach your balloons, you're going to do crisscross. So one way, you're going to insert it this way into the hole. Pull the latex balloon neck through the hole and lock it in. And then you're going to add your other color. This is where you can get creative. You can go big and small, however you want. This is how it's going to create the organic look. Crisscross just like this, and you're going to continue this process until you're done. If you want 2 different garlands, a long one and a short one, you're going to measure the area that you're interested in hanging your garland, and you're going to cut the strip where you feel is necessary. And you're going to add the shorter strip to the other side of your wall. So to hang your garland, you're going to want your 2 hooks. Now these hooks work best on brick, stucco, or even drywall. But if you're doing it inside, pro tip, painter's tape will protect your wall from any damages. In order to hang your hook properly, you want to make sure that you push out all the bubbles so it doesn't fall off. Just like this. Now when hanging your garland, you're going to have your 3 holes available just to hang on the hook. And it should hang properly. Now when hanging your other hook, you're going to want to place it on the other direction that you want your garland to go, and then come down. Now you're going to want to add your 5-inch balloons and your foils. And with these, we're gonna use our glue dots. This is the fun part because we get to put it wherever we want. You're gonna wanna press down the glue and gently pull up, just like this. Closer to the neck, that way the neck doesn't show. This is where you're gonna wanna place all of your 5 inches where you feel is necessary or you want some extra pop in a certain location. I'm gonna press down on the bigger balloon and hold it for a second, and it should stick just like that. With your foils, you're gonna do the same exact thing. You might wanna add a little bit more glue dots on these, that way, because they are bigger and a little bit heavier, but they hold just fine. If you do happen to run out of glue dots, a low temp glue gun will work just fine. Now, let's talk about greenery. With your greenery, you can add glue dots if you have any extra, or you could just slip them in wherever you like. When you place them, if you place them in sideways, they look a lot nicer because it's sticking out to the sides instead of forward or downward. And when you're all done, it should look something like this. Thank you for choosing House of Party. We hope you found this video helpful. If you would like to purchase this product, the link is in the description below. We'll see you next time.